Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is this penne pasta that I made with a few vegetables that I have at home and some sausages, and I thought to show you. Somehow I lost the video of the ingredients, but I'll put them in the description box, so do make sure to check it out. Okay, so without wasting any time at all, let's get started. I already heat up a pan and I will just throw in 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. I also blended roughly some scotch bonnet, tomatoes and onions, which I'm adding to the melted butter now. I'll fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean so much to me. Also do like, comment and share this video. Thank you. Some seasoning to your taste. This is a really simple and straight to the point dish that is absolutely good for dinner. I'll add some salt now. A pinch of rosemary. The sausages will go in now. And if you have watched up to this point and you have not subscribed, please now. It is just a click, just hit the subscribe button for me and I'll be happy. All right, there's water. This water has been boiling for the pasta and I'll cook the pasta for some 10 minutes. Okay, so time to go back to the sauce. I'll add some chopped red bell peppers now. Sweet corn and stir. Now I'll add a bit of soy sauce, just a little bit, so the dish doesn't end up too tasty or salty. Checking up on the pasta now and it looks ready. So I have strained the pasta and it looks good already. So now we're going to mix the pasta with the sauce, mix the two together and just let it simmer on low heat for just a little bit. I'm adding just a bit of spring onions now. And that's it about the pasta. It's ready. It looks good and it is absolutely delicious. Let me know if you'll be trying this. Thank you for watching.